Let's go ahead and prepare my everything in the tank gets fed concoction. We'll start with frozen mysis, some LRS, Reef Blizzard O for our softies and our sponges, Reef Blizzard S for our SPS, Reef Blizzard A for anemones and fish. We've got our pellets for our larger LPS corals, XC that has a lot of that color nutrition in that for the corals, Coral Inertia, a little splash of that, Vitamin M, a little splash of that, and we'll mix that all up, all that goodness. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes and go ahead and broadcast feed, or you can target feed if you've got extra time. And you can see all of the different particle sizes that are included in this concoction. So all the corals get to eat, all the fish get to eat, the inverts, and everybody is happy.